Hey YouTubers, Chris Willett here from Notes from a Vagabond. Today I'm making a little video about taxes. Oh, we hate doing taxes. We don't, not gonna do them. No, doing taxes is no fun. But, I'm hopefully there's ways you can do it to use programs and they're free. So I just want to kind of go over that a little bit. Because like if you go to, let's say you're using TurboTax, if you go to TurboTax's website and click on the free thing, it'll say it's for just simple forms, but you can't, itemize deductions, have a business, have rent income, a bunch of other conditions. Then they want you to buy their $120 program, which you don't have to do if you want to use TurboTax and you make less than $36,000 a year. But it's a little tricky to get to the free version. If you just click their site, you probably can't get there from their ad site, but I'll walk you through how you get there. Also, if you make $69,000 a year or less, there's another program out there that you can use that's free. If you make less than $69,000, don't go pay for one of these expensive programs or pay 80 bucks or 120 bucks or whatever. If you're willing to do, enter all the information yourself. Okay, so this is the process. You go to this website, an IRS website. I'll walk you through it a little bit, and I'll have links down below. So you just click on these. So first you go to this site, you enter some information, your age, how much your adjusted income is, if you're in the military, stuff like that. Click on it, and then it will take you to a site that shows which programs are free. Absolutely free if you meet the qualifications. Real easy to do. I just did my taxes. It cost me $0 to do. I use TurboTax. I do make under $36,000 a year, but I was able to do it. I was able to I did 3 different incomes. Those are 3 different businesses. I get a little money from rent, so I did that. If you wanted to, you could do itemized deductions. You could do student loans. If you sold stock, you could do it. Just so if you're using TurboTax, you stay under that $36,000 adjusted gross income threshold. Or this other site, which I didn't use because I'm used to TurboTax, they let you go to $69,000 a year. So, check this out. I hope it saves you some money. And I'll just take you to the computer now and just walk you through. Okay, so here we are at the website. It says here, I'll have a link down below. Put in some information, your age. I'm going to start at 34,000. Select your residence, California. Are you in the, there's some other questions here. You can read them real quick. For me, it's no, no, no. Select your state. So if you're going to do your state taxes at the same time, you submit it. And here you can see the free programs, TurboTax, Tax Act, Online Taxes Act, or this is for state and federal. This is federal only. So there's, different programs. These are all free programs. You don't have to pay for them, just so you're under those threshold. Like, if I go back, let me up this to 65. So if you go way up there, there's this only one here, but these are all free if that's for state and federal. This is federal only. So these are all free programs. So instead of spending 120 bucks or something, you can use these and do your taxes online for free, just so you're under that $69,000 adjusted gross income. Another comment I want to say about doing taxes. Yeah, I don't like doing taxes, but I think it's important for me to do my own taxes, get all the information together and file them. So I start understanding how I get write-offs, what I can write off, because when you start doing your own taxes, not just taking them to a preparer, there's all these questions they ask you about, and it's like, well, what does that mean, and so forth. So I think it's a good way, by doing your own taxes, to learn how to maximize your tax return. Also, I got a link down below to a video I watched. It's called "Why Doing Taxes is So Hard." It's a Patriot Act with Hussein. He does a show on Netflix, but this video is actually on YouTube. I found it very interesting. It's some of the stuff I'm talking about, but it goes more into why the tax system is the way it is and why it's so messed up. I think it's worth a watch. Well, I hope this movie's been useful, that you use it, can save some money. If you like this movie, give it a thumbs up. That'll help my channel grow. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. Always good to hear from you. Thanks a lot for watching. Just another tip from Notes from a Vagabond. Bye now.